Hello everyone. So today we will be seeing overview of Power BI desktop. So there are multiple options available into Power BI for data visualization, then data cleaning, transforming, and then visualization. So first let's get started with opening the Power BI desktop. Yes. So once the Power BI desktop is opened, we are having one window in front of us with having multiple options like get data, recent sources, and then open other reports. So actually this get data is the way to connect with your new data source. And in this recent sources, if in past you have integrated with some data source, then it will be listed on here. Open other reports is the option to explore the report which you have created in past. Suppose you are having some report built in past, you need to open it, you can choose this option to open that particular report. So for now we will open this get data. Once this get data window is getting open, so we are having multiple options to connect with. So there are multiple file formats, there are multiple sources through which we can connect our Power BI that will act as a data source. So right now we will go into file option, and here we are having again different option like we can use Excel workbook, then text or CSV, XML, JSON. So there are multiple options available. So here first we will connect with text CSV. I'm connecting with it. It opened my local desktop window. I have kept one train file name train as demonstration file, so I will just open it quickly. Once it is open, it will pop up into a preview section that is in some window format. Here we are having two different options, that is we can directly load data into Power BI if we don't want to clean the data, and another option is of transform data. So generally whenever we get data from any sources that is into some raw format, we need to clean that data first. So to clean those data, we need to click on this transform button, transform data. Again, here we have varieties of options on our screen. So first one is this close and apply new query data sources parameters. So there are multiple options available here. There is table listed on that table which we saw into preview section. It is listed on here. Again, this queries panel is there, applied step panel is there. So all this panel in upcoming videos we will be explaining one by one. We are having home in ribbon, we have home button, transform, and then add column, view. So all these things we will be going one by one into the upcoming videos. Now we will see different other options to enter the data into this window. So here we can see new query. This is a panel, this is a group in which we can through which we can enter data into a Power BI desktop. So first one, you are most likely that you are aware of. We can integrate uh, multiple other sources which were onto the get data window. So here it is Excel workbook, SQL Server, text CSV. Again, those options only which we saw at beginning. In this recent sources, it is since we have uploaded train.csv, which we can see that is loaded right now. So this train.csv, it is the recent source through which I have connected this Power BI desktop. And another option we are having is enter data. So here we can manually enter data. We can create a table which will be stored into this Power BI desktop for further processing. So we will explore two options right now, this one and this one. Let me close this and move it to new sources. So suppose we are having new source at Excel workbook and we want to fetch some other Excel. So here is our demo folder in which we are having and we are having one file already kept here as screen. So it is not showing up there. So let me copy it and again paste it here. with train copy. I will name it as demo file 2. Now we will switch again to this window. So if we will again click on new source and then text or CSV, since it is a CSV file, so we will click on it. So we can see again in this document and then demo folder that demo file 2 is visible here. So demo file 2, we will click over it and then open it. It is again, the preview window is again popped up. So we will click on OK, and we will see that demo file 2, it is here. That train is into this window and demo file 2 is in this window. So now we are having both the files with us. And so this is basically the use of these new sources. We can integrate n number of sources and we can create n number of table into uh, this transform window. After that, another option that is of enter data. So if we will click over it, we can see that this window is here open, in which we can manually type down the column name. Suppose column is ABC and some row 1, and then row 1 1, and then row 1 2, and the column name, suppose I am keeping as XYZ. Here row 2 1, here row 2 2. So manually we can create table here in this option. And name, what we will keep this whole table name as, we will keep it as demo file 3. Suppose this table is named as demo file 3. If we will click OK button, we will see it will be listed on here as like this. So with this, on in this home ribbon, we are now aware with the all these options, that how to use new sources, how to use recent sources, and then enter data. In upcoming videos, we will be moving with other multiple sources like data, other multiple things like these are how to use this manage parameters, and then what is reflexive view, and all these options one by one we'll go through each of them.